Police body cam leaks suspect's seed phrase during vehicle inspection. A viral video making rounds on Twitter showed two police officers searching a suspect's car and coming across pieces of paper, one of which contained seed phrases. NewsZone. This piece of crypto history. Collect this article as while self-custody is considered the ultimate way to secure one's funds, many fail to acknowledge the risks associated with physically storing seed phrases. A search conducted by the State Police Agency for Nevada ended up making a suspect's seed phrase public after being picked up by the body cam. A viral video making rounds on Twitter showed two police officers searching a suspect's car and coming across pieces of paper. It turns out, the suspect was a strong believer in self-custody, as unfolding the pieces of paper revealed the suspect's seed phrase, which was handwritten, a popular method to prevent online compromises. As the incident got recorded by one of the officers' body camera, the suspect's seed phrase has now become public information. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao saw the video and warned investors about learning the various risks involved in different methods of storing cryptocurrencies. He said the video sparked conversations around the best way to store seed phrases, with the most popular suggestion being memorizing the seed phrase. While the idea of learning the seed phrase, a unique combination of 12 or 24 words, by heart sounds safe, CZ pointed out that lack of inheritance and the forgetfulness of the. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.